Hello friends, this is Dr. MiteshGala, presently teaching in Campaign School. Welcome to the online teaching resource.
Hi, we are getting into cylinder cone spheres exercise 20A part 2. So in this video we'll try and finish this exercise, that is 20A, the most important exercise. This exercise is purely based on cylinders. So I hope by now you exactly know how to go about with all the parts of the cylinder. So surface area, you have curved surface area, you have total surface area, and you have the volume. Alright. So for a cylinder, come on, tell me what's the curved surface area? Very good. 2 pi r into h, that is perimeter into height or circumference into height. Total surface area 2 pi r h plus r, and volume, that is area multiplied by height, so pi r square h. Now in this exercise you will see sums which are related to hollow cylinder. So when you say hollow cylinder, it is nothing else but the pipe. So when you look at the pipe at your house anywhere, it's a hollow cylinder. Right? So for a hollow cylinder, right, you need to understand three things: that it has internal curved surface area, it has external curved surface area. So internal is basically the inside curve, external is the outside curve. Okay, so you have internal curved surface area, obviously 2 pi RH. External curved surface area, the radius will differ, so you call it as capital RH. Total surface area, now you need to understand this really well. This is going to be anything and everything that you can paint. So for a pipe, what all things can you paint? You can paint the inside curved surface area, you can paint the outside curved surface area, outside, and then when you look on this side, the front side, you have a thickness. That thickness is basically the shape of a ring. So when you look from top, it will be two concentric circles. So plus area of the ring into 2 times the area of the ring, because one ring on this side, one ring on the other side, and this ring is basically pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So inner circle minus outer circle, so you can take pi common, r square minus r square. Likewise, volume for a hollow cylinder is going to be volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. So basically volume is pi capital R square h and pi small r square h. So pi and h, height is going to be same whether outer or inner, only radii will differ. So you can pull that common, so r square minus r square. So this is what I want you to take a screenshot of, because here we are going to work on hollow cylinder very frequently. Put on your softboard, remember, try to reason it out again and again, and once you get it, start with the chapter. The exercise. Now here you go with all the formulae. Again, in every video I have shown this so that you happen to get more and more practice and get it registered into your mind. So please take a screenshot if you haven't taken it yet. Let's start with the first sum number 17. Until 15 I did it in the previous video, so this is 17th onwards. They say that when a cube is inserted within a cylinder, the water rises. So earlier the water is up to this blue mark. Now the water has gone up to this green mark. So how much is this rise is the question. So we already know Archimedes principle. We've done enough sums of this type. So volume of this water rise is nothing else but the volume of this cube which is being introduced. You remember, whatever you insert inside, that much amount of water comes out of the measuring cylinder, Archimedes principle. So volume of water rise, so water is in the form of a cylinder, so therefore it is going to be a cylinder with the volume of cube. So cylinder pi r square h and cube is L cube, so pi. Radius of the cylinder is 14 because diameter is 28. Height is the rise in the level of water which we are trying to find, and volume, L cube is 11. Come on, now solve it and get me the value of height. I have made it very simple for you. So 11 into 11 into 11 upon 14 into 14 into 22, and the 7 will go up. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 11 ones are 11 twos are. I don't think so you can cancel anything else, can you? No. So 121 divided by 4 into 14, 56. So now you'll have to actually divide and get this up to 2 decimal places. So 56 by 121. 2 times 112, so 9 decimal 20, 90. So 1s are 56. What I shall get is 4 and 34 or 44. 34, correct? 80, 90, yeah. So one more 0, so maybe 6 times. 6 times will be 336. So 440, so only once. Not even 1, 0. So 2.16. Go to 3 decimals and then convert always, you will never go wrong. Centimeters or meters? Centimeters. So therefore height of the rise in the level of water. So you can say what rise in water level is equal to 2.16 centimeter. Very simple these type of questions are, and 100% in school prelims you will see them. So how to recollect them? So whatever is the volume of that object, whichever has been inserted inside, is the rise or volume of the water rise, and rise is always going to be equal to the shape, whatever shape the water is in. Okay, so I hope you managed this one. Let's go to the next one. Sum number 18. Put a star besides it. Again, this is a lovely question. They say that an earth is dug. Earth means basically they are digging the ground. When they are digging the ground, they have dug it in the form of a cylinder, basically like a well. Okay, how deep we don't know. That's what the question is, and the diameter is 2 meters. Whatever earth they removed, matlab whatever sand or soil that they removed, they started spreading it all around this well. Okay, to create an embankment. Embankment means a place where people can hold or they can stand. So embankment has been created with 2 meters width and the height is 1.2 meters. So whatever is this sand is basically removed from this well, or you can say the cylinder. So your question is, what is the height of this or the depth of this well? So you should be very clear in your head that the volumes are equal over here. Volume of this cylinder is equal to volume of this cylinder, because this is the same amount of sand. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of hollow cylinder. Can you see this is hollow? Alright. So before we move ahead, alright, you should know your formula well. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Hollow cylinder pi capital R square h minus pi small r square h. Are you getting this? Because here there is different radius. So when you look from top for this hollow cylinder, it will look like this. So this is the inner radius r and this is the outer radius capital R. Are you getting it? So whatever these two r's are based on this, okay, I can pull out pi common, and heights are different. So let me call this as capital height, which we are trying to find, and this height is given to us as 1.2. So I keep this right now as it is. Here I can pull out pi common, I can pull out h also common, alright, because both inner and outer cylinder the height is 1.2 only. Alright, what is left then is r square minus r square. Alright, now let's see what all can be cancelled. So height can be cancelled. This radius is different. Okay, so this radius is 2 meters diameter, so radius is going to be 1 meter. So I am going to write over here 1 into 1 into height. This height is unknown, that's what my target is. This radius, now you got to be really smart. Okay, so what you can do is say hollow cylinder inner radius. So inner radius is this circle, which is diameter 2, so radius 1 meter, and outer radius, so width is 2, so 1, which is from here to here, plus this 2, so you can show the working as 3 meters. So this is going to be 3 square minus 1 square, the brackets. So height is equal to, now this height is known to you as 1.6, I guess, not 1.2. I think I copied this wrong. Just let me check. 1.6 meters. I'm sorry. So height is 1.6. 3 square 9 minus 1. So the height is going to be 1.6 into 8. 48. 12.8 meters. So the height of this cylinder or the well that they are dug is 12.8 meters. I hope you are able to get it now. Am I making it really simple for you? No, you're focused better. That's why you're getting it. Great job. Let's go to the next one. Sum number 19. Again 19, a hollow cylinder. Now whenever there is a hollow cylinder, remember you have the internal curved surface, you have the external curved surface, and plus what you have is the ring. See, this is the ring on top, and these are outer curved surface that I am trying to create now. Alright. So internal plus outer external curved surface is this much, volume is this much. Your target is find the two radii, then the height is 21. So height is given to you. Now here you got to be very smart because you are going to use this and this separately initially, and later on we'll combine both of them. So let's see how to go about. So first I'm beginning with this, what is given, curved surface area inner plus curved surface area outer is equal to 1056. So inner curved surface area 2 pi RH, external 2 pi capital RH, 1056. Height in both the cases are going to remain same. So I can pull out 2 pi h common. What will be left is r plus r. So 2 pi nothing given, so 22 by 7, and height is given to us as 21, r plus r 1056. 7 ones are 3s are. So r plus r 1056 upon. All these things will go down, 2 into 22 into 3. So 11 2s are 96 times, 3 ones are 32 times, 2 ones are 16s are. So we have got r plus r as 16. That means both the radii ka total is 16. But we don't know each of the radii individually. So now what we are going to use is this volume of the material. So we got to be really smart with this part. So let me take a fresh sheet so that we can go nicely. So volume is given to us as 1056. So volume of material is basically volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. We already know this. So volume is 1056. Outer cylinder pi capital R square H, pi small r square H. So 1056. I can pull out pi h common, r square minus r square. So 1056, 22 by 7, and height is 21. Now this is the catch. R square minus r square is not known to us, and what we have is r plus r. Can I use r plus r somehow over here? Oh, did you say this? Very good. Formula, you remember a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. That's what we are going to use now. So 1s are 3s are, let's push everything on the other side, that is 22 into 3. This r plus r is known to us as 16. So I can use that over here as 16. What will be left is r minus r. So let's cancel this. 11 2s are 11 96 are 32 1s are 16s are. So I get 16. Oh, I think I messed up something because 16 divided by 16 is going to give me 1. Not possible. Something I messed up somewhere. Let me recheck. So 1056 pi h common, r plus r, r minus r. I think something wrong here maybe. So 1056, 7 ones are 3s are, so 222 and 3 comes down. 11 2s are 11 96 times. See this 2 I messed up. I did 16 upon 2 I forgot. So it's supposed to be 8. Alright. And then this 8 will come here. Not 16, 8. So this is 8. 8 going down. I will get r minus r. So therefore r minus r is 2. Still we have not got our answer. R plus r is 8. R minus r is 2. How do I get r? Come on. Yes, simultaneous. Hit it. So 2r 10. So r becomes 5 centimeters. And then r, let's substitute here. So r minus r is 2. 5 minus r is 2. So r becomes 3 centimeters. So you can say therefore the two radii are 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. A brilliant question. Put a star besides it and it will really help you. Let's go with the next one. So basically, okay, let me sum it up. We took two curved surface areas, applied the formula, what we got was r plus r. Then we took the volume, okay, and the most important part was this, a plus b, a minus b. Substituted r plus r here and we got r minus r. Once we reached here, we took both the equations and we solved simultaneously in order to get the two radii. Yeah, enjoyed? Great. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 21. 21 is comparatively simple. So come on, pause the video right now and hit it on your own. R plus h, that is radius and height, total 35. Total surface area is given and volume is your target. So start with total surface area ka formula for a cylinder. That is 2 pi r h plus r. H plus r is known to you. Substitute everything, you will get the radius. Substitute radius here, you will get the height. Once you get radius and height, get the volume. Damn simple now. Come on, pause right now and do it on your own. So 3080, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, and h plus r is 35. So 7 ones are 5, sir. So I get 3080, 5 2s are 10 into 22 is equal to r. So this 0 goes. Can I cancel this further? Maybe with 11. 11 2s are and then 8s are. So 2 1s are 14. So my radius becomes 14 centimeters. So therefore radius plus height is 35. So 14 plus height is 35, and therefore I can say height is 21 centimeters. So we managed to get radius and height. Now let's calculate the volume. So volume pi r square h. So pi r square into height, which is 21. So 7 ones are 2s are 44 into 14 ones are 14, 28, 29. So 294 into 44. 4 4s are 16, 37, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I get 6, 13, 7, 8 and 1, 9, 2 and 1. So 12936 centimeter cube, since it's volume. Easy? How many of you all got it? Yeah, I know most of you all are managing it on your own. Brilliant job. Continue doing the same. Don't copy. Okay. Next one. 24. 24 is not difficult. Simple question. They just say that two cylinders with so and so dimensions recast into a third cylinder with height so and so, find the diameter. So first find the radius, then you'll get the diameter. Here diameter is 60, so radius is going to be 30. So volume of one cylinder plus volume of second is the volume of third. So volume of one cylinder pi r1 square h1 h2 and this capital. So pi r2 square h2 and pi r square capital R square h. Alright. Pi can be pulled common, so r1 square h1, r2 square h2 and pi r square h. Pi gets cancelled. Don't do this separately and then add. Do everything together so pi gets cancelled. Your life becomes much easier. Now r square in this case is 30 into 30 and height also is 30. Whereas here it is 30 into 30 but the height is 60. Is equal to this r is unknown and height is known to you as 10. So let's calculate 27 and 3 zeros, 954 and 3 zeros, r square into 10. So 54,027, 50, 60, 70, 81,000 divided by 10 is r square. So r is root of 100. So 81 is 9 and 2 zeros, so 1 0 and I get my radius. Target is find the diameter, so twice the radius. So 2 into 90, 180 centimeter is your diameter. Got it? This was easy, right? Yeah, whenever recast things are there, they are really simple and usually in boards you see one question of this type. So you must focus on them, okay? Let's go to the next one. 25. 25 is a good question. You'll have to be with me, otherwise you will mess up. It's again a hollow cylinder. Total surface area is given and area of the ring. Ring is this, the top view when you see the outer circle minus the inner circle. So capital R, small r. Height is given to you as 14. Your target is find the thickness. Thickness is this. Basically thickness is nothing else but r minus r. That is outer radius minus inner radius. See, outer minus inner, what you get is this part. That is your thickness. So to get your thickness, we are trying to find r minus r. So r minus r is our prime target. Alright. So thickness is equal to r minus r, which is question mark. Now let's begin from total surface area and gradually we'll get some parts. Pause, try. If you don't get, come back. So outer curved surface area, inner curved surface area and area of ring into 2 because there are two rings, one on top, one at the bottom. Okay, so total surface area 3575. Outer curved surface area, so 2 pi RH. Inner 2 pi RH. Radii are different. And ring I am not writing the formula because I have the value ready made. So 357.5 multiplied by 2 rings. Okay, so 3575. Here I can pull out 2 pi h common. What is left is r plus r. Let's multiply. So 10, 14, so 15, 10 and 1 11, 6 and 1 7, so 715. Bring this on this side and subtract, so 0, 6, 8, 2. Here I will get 2 pi h. H is given to us as 14 and r plus r, both r's are missing at that moment. So let's put all of these down. So 2 into 22 into 2 is r plus r. So 11 2s are 11 2s are 6s are 0s are 2 130 265. So therefore I can say r plus r is 65 upon 2. Now this is r plus r, that's not my target. My target is r minus r. So what you do is now pick up area of ring and open the bracket. Some magic might happen. Okay. So area of ring pi r square minus r square. Correct? Ring. So ring is 357.5 pi 22 by 7, and this a plus b, a minus b. A plus b known to us, substitute, and then what you will get is a minus b, that is r minus r, and that is nothing else but your thickness. Got it? So come on, did I make it really simple for you? No, you practiced on your own. Very good. Keep it up. So I just removed this decimal, so upon 10 into 7 by 22. This r plus r is 65 by 2, and this r plus r minus r we are trying to find. So 11 2s are 11 3s are, wait, let me check pi. No, nothing is given, so 22 by 7. So 11 3s are 27, so 2s are 5s are. Okay, I can cancel with 5 also. 5 2s are 5 6s are 5s are. So I get 65 into 7, 2 into 20, 2 into 2. This 2 goes on top, 65 comes down, r minus r. 65 and 2 goes off. So r minus r 7 by 2, 3.5 centimeters. So we can say therefore thickness is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Did we get it correct? Let me check. 25, some number 3.5. Ha! Lovely question, no? Great. I'm happy that you are able to manage it. Keep it up. Let's go with the last question, sum number 26. Before we go to the last one, 27, 28 are cancelled. Such type may not come in the exam, or mostly do not come. Not cancelled from the board, but you can ignore them. So trust me and go ahead. Cube is given, and on top of that is a cylinder. Alright. Height of the cylinder is 50. Radius of the cylinder is 20. And length of the cube is 40. Pi 3.14. Find the volume and the total surface area of this object, not individual part but the object. So volume is damn simple. Volume of cube plus volume of cylinder. So come on, volume of cube will be L cube and volume of cylinder pi r square h. So let's hit it. 40 cube pi r square, so 20 into 20, and height is 50. Okay, pi they said 314, so 314 by 100. My bad, sorry. So 2 zeros go away straight away. 4 cube 64 and 3 zeros. Likewise 5 2s are 10, so 728 and 2 more zeros. So let's add them. 1,36,800. Is it correct? Please tell us if we are correct. Wait 1 second. 314 ka double will be 62,000. So my bad. 62,800. So final answer should be 126,800 centimeter cube, because it's volume. Yeah, it's correct. If you got the same answer, too good. Now for the total surface area. So you got to be really smart here. Let's see how to work out the total surface area. Okay. So in the meanwhile, pause and write the expression. How are you going to get? So total surface area of the object is basically total surface area of the cube. Now this cube ka total surface. Total surface means anything that you can paint. So here we can paint all this, but this circle here cannot be painted because this is placed on it. So minus the area of the circle plus this curved surface area of the cylinder minus the area, plus the area of this circle on top. Are you getting it? Once again, total surface minus circle curved surface plus circle, because this I can paint. There can be different ways, but this is the easiest one. Why? Because here this gets cancelled, so your life becomes easy. Otherwise someone else might take area of vertical faces, then the base, then this top minus circle, total surface, and then again minus circle. That will be very lengthy. Let's not confuse ourselves. Total surface minus circle, curved surface plus circle. Simple. So two circles, one is minus, one is plus, gets cancelled. Now what is left? Total surface area of the cube, that is 6L square, and curved surface area of cylinder, so 2 pi RH. So L is 40, 2 pi R. Radius I don't know, or do I know? Obviously you should be knowing, no? Radius is 20 into height, which is 50. Again pi I messed up, 314 by 100. Please don't do that mistake, otherwise you will have it wrong in spite of getting your answer correct. So 4 square 16 into 9, 960 and 2 zeros, 96 and 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros will get cancelled, so again double of this, that is 6280. Please don't tell me I have gone wrong. So my answer should be 15280, is it? 15880. Yeah, that's correct. 15,880 centimeter square. We've gone correct, yeah? So that was a good question also. So first we did the volume, which was simple, and then the total surface. I hope you got this. Sums that are cancelled are written here, 27, 28, ignore them. Homework 16, 20, 22 and 23 is what I want you to do as your homework. Please do them honestly, you will get a good practice then. Until the next video, when we go on with exercise F and G, because till E we have finished, only 2 more exercises which I will try and do very quickly. Take care, stay safe, pray for everyone and be honest. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do write your math experience in the comment section. Thank you.